Trello is a project management tool that we use in order to create tasks and delegate tasks. And in order for us to create tasks in Trello, we would need to add a list first. Now, a list would represent our clients in this board. So this board is for the ecomc team. So that means this is the board that we will be using for any task that we need to work for our clients. Now, for example, we have client A. We'll type there, client A. So that will represent a company. Let me just add the list. There, you'll have it. So there will be another option for you to enter a list title, and that means that you will only enter that if we have another client on board working for us or with us. Now, in order for us to add a task for that certain client, let's say, for example, the client needs a chatbot to be worked on. So we will be putting here the chatbot project. All right. So chatbot will be in Facebook. That's what we're going to put there, or Facebook chat, or Facebook Messenger bot, or anything that is very understandable for us who's going to look into the items. Okay. And then there you have it. You just click anywhere on the screen so that it will be added. Now, to put more details about this task, you just need to click on that. And then what I usually do is, okay, so what you do is you click on that, right? So you don't click on the pencil because just a few options there. So just click on this line right here and it will show you the box with more details. Now, in this section, you will need to put the description, what exactly you need to do. So let's say, for example, we have detailed instruction from the client that they sent over with an attachment through an email. So we include that here. We upload that on our computer or any location that will be, because it can be attached from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or anywhere else, or you can get from your computer. Or you can also find a link to put here and attach it right there. Okay, so if you need to add members to this task, let's say, for example, um, the project manager is a Facebook ads. The one who created this task is the project manager. The project manager should be added here, and add more people who needs to know about this task. So you don't need to add everyone else into the project. Like if you're working with 5 members in the business, you don't need to add everyone. Only those people that needs to be involved in that task. So just add members here. Okay. So you also have to put the due date. When is this going to be due? Well, when do we need to send this out? All right. So let's say, for example, it will be on Saturday, March 7. You put that right there. And what would be a reminder? Is it going to be like a day before that, or 2 days before that, or at the time of the due date? Okay. So there are a lot of options that we have here. You can even choose none. So you don't have to be reminded. But just in case you need to have that precaution that maybe this can't be on schedule, at least I would suggest to have a 2 day reminder about the task. But of course, if it's a task that needs to be done within the day and it's just a 5 minute task or whatever, we have to put the task still here. At least we have to streamline whatever processes that we have been doing. So at least put the reminder of the time of due date. And anyway, you can always adjust it if in case it's not doable in that certain time period provided. Okay? So that's what you just need to do. And then next, there's an option for checklist. So let's say, for example, this Facebook Messenger, it's not just a one action type of task. Remember that there are a number of tasks that you need to do when you create a Facebook Messenger. That is, you need to get access to the flow, you need to get access to the ManyChat account or whatever Messenger chat bot platform that the client is using, and other things. So in order for you to be able to to see what you need and what to do moving forward, you would need to build a checklist. You can even start uh, with the title first, and which is, let's say, for example, Facebook Messenger flow. Okay, so you have that flow there. That's your checklist, and you put there. I need the script. Needs script error. So you put that there. So next flow or checklist that you need is you need to have to create your Facebook Messenger bot. So you need to create another like set up Messenger bot. So you have another checklist there for any items that you need to do for the Facebook Messenger. So it's up to the project manager to add more items here, what they need, so that we can convey the message to the client that, hey, for us to set up the Facebook flow or chatbot flow, we need the script. So if once they send it over, that's already completed action, right? So you click on needs script. So there you have it. So there's no need to click on any save button over here. You just need to click on X and that's already saved. And you just go ahead and look into that over and over again in order for you to to check what other things are missing. Okay, so to add another card, to add another task for the client, let's say for example, they're also want our Facebook ads services. So we go ahead and add another card and Facebook ads. Okay, so that's just the same thing. Just click here and add another item, and then you can go ahead and create a checklist, due date, and all that. So, what else? So, that's about it for creating tasks on Trello for a specific client. So, this is streamlining what we can do for any client. All right, so if you have any questions about creating a task on Trello, just drop a comment down below and let me know.